Hey guys, it's Danny. Today I have a bit of a different video for you guys. Actually, it's quite a personal video. It is not an orchid video because today is a special day for me and for my YouTube channel. Now, the date when I'm actually recording this is the 3rd of April. And if you go into the About section of my channel and see the date of creation for my channel, you'll see it actually is the 3rd of April, 2013. So today I'm celebrating 7 years of YouTube, which is, oh my goodness. I've said this a million times, but never in a million years did I ever think I would get here. And yet here we are, 7 years later, almost 2,000 orchid videos later, having you guys as my wonderful community and still growing orchids, still making videos about orchids, pretty much still doing what I love to do. Back then when I started my YouTube channel, it was so hard to explain to people what my passion was and what I was actually doing. And even though nowadays it's much easier to say, yeah, I'm a YouTuber, I do videos, and most everybody will understand, I still find it so incredibly unbelievable to have started from my own little balcony in my little apartment in Romania, and now here I am. Well, this YouTube channel, this orchid journey, and of course you guys have made my dream possible. I get to film videos, care for my orchids, and actually call this my job, which is amazing. And I cannot thank you enough for this. I am so beyond words incredibly grateful to you guys for allowing me to have a voice, for enabling me to do what I do, and for helping me become a better version of myself day after day. I not only learn a lot about orchids through this channel and through you guys, but also I learned how to be better and how to want to be better and where exactly I can improve as a person. So all of this journey has been so incredible, so complex, beyond, you know, the visible and beyond what I show you on camera. And I truly, truly hope that through my videos, I not only give you a few tips about orchids, but maybe just offer that little escape window that I know each and every one of us needs sometimes. So I really do hope that I as well make a positive impact on your lives, because you've made such a positive impact on my entire life. I am more motivated than ever to continue doing what I do, to continue making these videos for you guys, and I also want to find new ways of connecting with you and interacting with you. That's why recently we launched our Discord server, and also we started to do YouTube live streaming, which are two things that I intend to continue doing in the future. I'm having a really, really great time, and you guys seem to really enjoy them as well. I have many ideas and many videos prepared for you this year, and I really hope that in 7 years' time I'm going to be making yet another video remembering the journey and celebrating another anniversary, and I hope you will be part of my community then as well. But like everything, the journey had ups and downs as well, not only with my orchids, but behind the camera as well. And since many of you guys along the years have asked me if there is a way to directly support the channel and help me continue doing what I do, I decided today to make the memberships available on my channel as well for those of you who have asked me about it or who can and wish to support the channel. This, however, does not mean that any of my videos, both past and future, will become exclusive or private or anything of the sorts. Schedule remains as normal. Videos remain freely available for everybody. This is something that I've always been keen on. My video tutorials will always be free for anybody who needs them. But at the same time, I do wish to continue doing this for as long as possible. And as I was saying, I do want to see each other again in another 7 years, still enjoying this wonderful hobby, still making orchid tutorial videos. And with that said, I think it's time to end. Thank you so much once again for sticking with me, for watching my videos, for enabling me to have a platform and a voice in this community. I appreciate you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.